Here are some tips for a happy life. Mindset and attitude. 1. Practice gratitude. Appreciate what you have daily. 2. Live in the present. Stop dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. 3. Embrace positivity. Focus on the good in every situation. 4. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with love and patience. 5. Let go of perfectionism. Strive for progress, not perfection. 6. Avoid comparison. Your journey is unique. Focus on your growth. 7. Forgive and move on. Holding grudges only hurts you. 8. Learn from failures. See them as stepping stones to success. 9. Practice self-love. Value yourself and your worth. 10. Laugh often. Find humor in life's moments. Relationships and social life. 11. Surround yourself with positive people. Energy is contagious. 12. Spend quality time with loved ones. Relationships bring happiness. 13. Listen more. Talk less. Genuine connections come from understanding. 14. Help others. Acts of kindness bring joy. 15. Express gratitude to others. Let people know they matter. 16. Set healthy boundaries. Protect your energy and peace. 17. Say no when necessary. Don't overcommit at your expense. 18. Let go of toxic relationships. Prioritize your mental well-being. 19. Communicate openly and honestly. Avoid misunderstandings. 20. Celebrate others' successes. Happiness multiplies when shared. Health and well-being. 21. Eat healthy foods. Fuel your body with nutritious meals. 22. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts mood and energy. 23. Get enough sleep. Rest is essential for happiness. 24. Spend time in nature. Fresh air and sunshine uplift the soul. 25. Stay hydrated. Water keeps you refreshed and energized. 26. Take breaks. Rest prevents burnout. 27. Practice mindfulness. Meditation or deep breathing helps with stress. 28. Limit screen time. Disconnect to reconnect with real life. 29. Do activities you love. Hobbies bring joy and fulfillment. 30. Smile more. A simple smile can improve your mood instantly. Happiness is a habit. The more you practice these tips, the more fulfilling your life will be. Smiling can be a powerful tool for happiness because it triggers positive changes in your body and mind. Here's how. 1. Releases feel-good chemicals. Smiling activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, which naturally boost your mood. 2. Reduces stress. Even a forced smile can lower stress levels and make you feel calmer. 3. Improves relationships. People are drawn to positive energy. A smile makes you more approachable and strengthens social bonds. 4. Boosts confidence. Smiling can make you feel more confident and positive about yourself. 5. Enhances health. Studies show that smiling can lower blood pressure, improve immune function, and even reduce pain. 6. Creates a feedback loop. The more you smile, the happier you feel, creating a cycle of positivity. Even if you don't feel like smiling at first, practicing it can trick your brain into feeling happier. Try it and see the difference. A feedback loop is when one action reinforces itself, creating a cycle of improvement. When applied to happiness, it helps build long-term well-being. Here's how it works. Positive feedback loop for happiness. 1. Small positive action. Right pointing arrow feels good. Example. You smile. Right pointing arrow. Your brain releases feel-good chemicals. Right pointing arrow. You feel happier. 2. Feeling happier, right pointing arrow leads to more positive actions. A good mood makes you more likely to engage in uplifting activities, e.g., exercising, socializing, helping others. 3. More positive actions, right pointing arrow, more positive results. Healthy habits improve well-being, relationships, and confidence, reinforcing your happiness. 4. Reinforced happiness, right pointing arrow, stronger mindset and more joy. Over time, positive behaviors become natural, making happiness easier to sustain. This loop also applies to negative emotions, so being mindful of your habits and mindset helps break bad cycles and build positive ones. The key is starting small. A smile, a gratitude journal, or a short walk can set off a chain reaction toward a happier life. A strong mindset is a foundation for a happy life because it helps you navigate challenges, stay positive, and maintain inner peace. Here's why. 1. Resilience against hardships. Life has ups and downs, but a strong mindset helps you bounce back from failures, setbacks, and stress without losing your happiness. 2. Positive perspective on life. Instead of seeing problems as obstacles, a strong mindset views them as learning opportunities, reducing frustration and disappointment. 3. Emotional control and inner peace. With mental strength, you control your reactions rather than letting external situations dictate your emotions. This keeps you calm and happy. 4. Confidence and self-worth. A strong mindset builds self-belief, reducing self-doubt and fear, allowing you to pursue goals with determination and optimism. 5. Growth and continuous improvement. It encourages lifelong learning, adaptability, and persistence, leading to personal success and fulfillment, key elements of happiness. 6. Freedom from negative influences. A strong mind helps you ignore negativity, toxic people, and unnecessary stress, protecting your mental peace. Happiness is not about avoiding problems but about how you handle them. With a strong mindset, you cultivate long-term happiness regardless of circumstances.